Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting your AdMob account details, app ID, and specific ad unit ID because they wire your app to revenue. Next, install the recommended native package and run pod install on iOS. This links native SDKs. Then, make sure you inject the app ID into Android Manifest. XML and info. Plist. This registers the app with the mobile ads runtime. Once done, enable test ads so you don't violate policy while developing. Now implement the ad logic inside your React components. Initialize the SDK at app startup and wait for the ready event. For banners, render the banner component with the ad unit ID. For interstitials and rewarded ads, call load, then show when load completes. Also, attach listeners for ad loaded, ad failed to load and reward events so you can manage UI flow, pause gameplay, or grant reward credits. Make sure to only show ads at natural breaks to protect UX and retention. Finish by testing thoroughly on real devices using test ad unit ID so impressions are safe. Before publishing, swap in production ad unit ID and confirm privacy disclosures and consent flows, especially for EU users. Monitor logs in Android Studio and Xcode. Check that app ID values match your AdMob console and that SDK versions are compatible. If an ad never loads, recheck ID, network permission, and adapter versions. These are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.